In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and get started with the BingX cryptocurrency exchange platform. If you're new to the cryptocurrency world or just looking for a new platform to trade on, BingX can be a great choice thanks to its user-friendly interface and variety of features. So let's dive right in. First, open up your web browser and head over to BingX's official website. You can do this by typing in the URL or simply searching for BingX in your favorite search engine. Once the page loads, you'll see a well-organized and visually appealing homepage that highlights the various offerings and features of the platform. The next step is to join the BingX community by creating an account. Look for the Sign Up button, typically located at the top right corner of the homepage. It's generally easy to spot due to its prominent position and clear labeling. Click on this button to begin the registration process. Now you'll be presented with several options to create your account. BingX offers flexibility here. You can choose to register using your email, with your Google account, or with Apple. Each of these methods has its own benefits. Using your email is straightforward and doesn't require linking your BingX account to any other service. Selecting the Google or Apple options can make for a faster and more seamless sign-in process, especially if you regularly use these services. For this example, let's proceed with email registration. When you click on the email option, you'll need to fill out the registration form that appears. This typically requires you to provide your email address and create a secure password. Be sure to use a strong password to ensure the security of your account. If you ever wonder what makes a password strong, aim for a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. If you prefer, you can instead click on the options to sign in using Google or Apple. Just follow the authorization prompts to link your accounts. This method provides an additional layer of convenience as you won't need to remember yet another password. Once all of that's done, you may see a highlighted area or button that says Sign Up. Go ahead and click on that to complete the registration. This action finalizes the setup process and officially creates your BingX account. Sometimes you might need to verify your email, so check your inbox for a confirmation message and follow any further instructions that BingX provides. By following these straightforward steps, you're now part of the BingX platform. You can start exploring its features and embark on your crypto trading journey. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and happy trading on BingX.